furnish this court with a copy of the charge sheet, which was before the General Court Martial. And I believe this court takes judicial notice of the charges on the charge sheet apparently before court. And if that is the case, court may realize that the charges do not speak to each other. The General Court Martial has different charges, there are different charges, and here the applicants are facing charges which are completely different. But even if the applicants were charged with offenses which attract death, even if the applicants were charged with offenses which attract death before the General Court Martial, the civil justice system where this honorable court falls does not have jurisdiction and does not enforce the UPDF Act under which the applicants were charged. So that makes the two completely different. Your Worship, the question is, does this court have record of the General Court Martial? And if it is true that it does not have the way I believe, then this court, where does this court get the moral and legal authority to be bound by proceedings which are not before it? We invite this court agree with the prosecution that this court does not have any moral or legal authority to consider the record of proceeding in the General Court, even if it had it, because this court was not party to that. This court did not in any way inherit the proceedings of the General Court Martial. And I beg also to question, ask again, and I also ask this court, ask itself, when did the charges against the applicants, when were they filed before this court? When did this court first interact or come into contact with the applicants as a civil justice court? It is simple mathematics. It is on the 21st of February 2025. And that translates, what does that mean? Lawyers are not good mathematicians, they do not count money, but I try to count. The applicants have been in custody for 3 months and 8 days. So they have been, before, they have been on remand not more than 4 months. To put it that way, generally. Now, if that is the issue, if it is true, they have been on remand for not more than 6 months, are they entitled to the provisions under Article 23, Clause 6C